Hi, Dr. V here. This today is about talking to clinicians or to folks out there who are interested in expressive arts and how I, as a person who uses puppets as dolls, use them in session with adults. Now, I do use them with children and I do use them sometimes with teens, but this is focused on what can happen with an adult and their own healing process. So in my sessions, if somebody really has a part of them that they're not noticing, I might try to invite that part forward. Like if somebody has courage, I would pick up this friend who a lot of people will identify as the courage symbol. If you think back to movies, if you think to that sense of what you think of when you think of the word courage, you may say, a lion reminds me of courage. And so I would invite that person to tell a story about when they experienced courage and find it in themselves. If they can't find it in themselves, I would ask that same person to think about somebody out there in the world that they know who's done something that they see as courageous. Something out there that they say, that's courage. And if they're willing, I would let this puppet or this doll, if I don't have a puppet friend, if I have a doll that looks like a lion, I would have that sit really near them to let them know that is a part of them, because even if they can't find it in themselves, if they notice it out there, I like to tell people, if you spot it, you got it. There's something in you that knows about courage if you can see it in others. And then I would perhaps say to them, now you know that there's a part of you that's going to try to shut that down, like judge that courage is a part of you. And that might look like something like a wolf. This friend actually usually talks a lot about being negative, but this friend doesn't always feel like a friend to the person. It can feel like this judgment comes up and kind of bites at or speaks out against anything positive. So I might let that be recognized as well in a session, but perhaps I would sit that one a little further away and say, let's ask that to step aside so that you can let in this part that either desires courage or knows about courage. I'm so glad you stopped by to see what I like to do with others. And no, this isn't a therapy session and cannot be used as a therapy session. It's just to let folks know what it could be like to do healing this way. I hope you stop by each week, if you will. Check out our YouTube channel. There's lots of good things there. Have a great day. Bye.